The UK Labour government has launched a massive crackdown on illegal immigration, carrying out record-breaking raids and deportations. Home Secretary Yvette Cooper is personally overseeing the operation. In a nationwide crackdown, UK authorities raided 828 locations last month, a 48% increase from the previous year. More than 600 arrests were made, making a 73% rise. The Home Office focused on businesses like restaurants, takeaways and car washes employing undocumented workers. The government has also intensified deportations using special charter flights to remove over 800 individuals. A video released by Home Office shows foreign criminals and illegal immigrants being escorted onto planes in shackles. Meanwhile, the opposition Conservative Party has slammed Labour's immigration policies, calling them too weak to stop illegal channel crossings. As the government pushes its new border security bill, the immigration debate in UK continues to intensify. With nearly 19,000 removals since July 2014, the Labour government is ramping up efforts to tighten UK borders.